Hello and welcome to another pipe presentation video. Today we're having a closer look at the vintage Danish estate Bari Select Nature Old Briar. This is a pre-1978 Viggo Nielsen era pipe. A dark stain, smooth natural finish, straight billiard shape number 47, comes with Bari sleeve. It's a 9mm pipe in mint condition with few mild signs of wear or use. First, let's take a look at the cloth green sleeve, worn off leathers but still great condition. Pipe is a classic billiard with slightly conical bowl, beveled rim edge. There's the filter stem. Had to pause for a second. So, beveled rim edge. Let's start from rim. Nice and clean, without darkening. Minimal scuffing, as you can see here and on the frontal part. Few small imperfections. One imperfection here is sort of a line. There you go. Right there. Like a factory fill, but quite small. There's the 47 made in Denmark stamp. And on the left side we have the Bari Select Nature Old Briar. Bari logo, almost 100% visible, only slight color loss. No bite marks, generally great condition. For a pipe this old, honestly it's in superb condition. It was used, not heavily. Chamber walls are nice and smooth, with fresh layer of coating. And it's an interesting, classic Danish design. Let's just demonstrate the sleeve. There we go. That's it. That's all for this short presentation. Thank you all for watching and see you in the next one.